Deep beneath our feet, hidden from sight, lies a secret. It's an ocean, but not like the ones we know. This ocean is buried hundreds of miles down, trapped within the Earth's mantle. Imagine, if you will, a vast expanse of water, more voluminous than all the oceans on the surface combined. This incredible discovery has shocked scientists. It changes everything we thought we knew about our planet. For centuries, we believed that Earth's water was confined to the surface in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Now we know there's more, much more, hidden deep inside. This hidden ocean isn't a churning, sloshing body of water. It exists in a strange state, locked away inside rocks. The water molecules are trapped within the crystal structure of minerals, forming what we call hydrous minerals. It's a bizarre concept, but it's a reality that's reshaping our understanding of Earth. Hydrous minerals are like tiny, natural water bottles. They form under intense pressure and heat, deep within the Earth. These minerals have the unique ability to absorb water molecules into their structure. Think of it like a sponge soaking up water, but on a microscopic chemical level. One such mineral is called ringwoodite. It's found in the Earth's mantle, a layer of hot, dense rock that lies beneath the crust. Scientists have discovered that ringwoodite can hold a surprising amount of water, up to 3% of its weight. Now imagine the sheer scale of the Earth's mantle. It's a massive layer stretching for thousands of miles. Even if a small percentage of this mantle contains hydrous minerals, the total amount of water locked away is staggering. This discovery has huge implications. First and foremost, it suggests there might be far more water on Earth than we ever imagined. This hidden reservoir could dwarf all the surface water combined, changing our understanding of Earth's water cycle. But the implications go far beyond just water volume. This discovery could revolutionize our understanding of geological processes. The presence of water in the mantle can influence how rocks melt and move. This, in turn, can affect volcanic eruptions and even the movement of continents. For example, water can lower the melting point of rocks, making them more likely to turn into magma. This magma can then rise to the surface, causing volcanic eruptions. There's even a possibility that the presence of water in the mantle might lubricate tectonic plates, making them move more easily. The discovery of this underground ocean opens up exciting new avenues for research. Scientists are now eager to understand how this water got there in the first place. Was it present during Earth's formation, or did it arrive later, perhaps carried by comets or asteroids? Another question is how this hidden water interacts with the surface world. Does water move between the surface and the mantle, and if so, how? Could this exchange of water play a role in triggering earthquakes or volcanic activity? These are just some of the many questions raised by this groundbreaking discovery. The hidden ocean beneath our feet is a stark reminder of how much we still have to learn about our own planet. It's a humbling thought, but also an exciting one. Who knows what other secrets our planet holds, just waiting to be uncovered?